In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to create this neon visual effect in PixelLab. This technique is going to take 2 steps, which includes creating the neon glow effect and then adding a colorful ambient to the photo so it appears illuminated by the neon glow. With that said, let's open PixelLab and get started. Here, as you can see, I've already imported the photo I'm going to be using. You can use any photo you like, but this technique best work with a photo having a dark scene background. Tap on shapes and select the triangle. Turn down the opacity to 0. Set the stroke width to 3 and stroke color to white. Rotate it to about 70 degrees and increase the size a little so it covers the head like this. Let's place it at the middle first. Now go to the shadow option and enable it. Set the glow color to a hot pink and copy the color hex code. We're going to need it later. Create a copy of the triangle and place it at the middle also. Then increase the blur radius of the shadow to 15. Duplicate it again. Increase blur radius to 20. Make one last copy and increase the blur radius to 25. Then select all the triangles and merge them together. And move it to the head like this. With the neon tube selected, tap on the mask option and enable it. Then move and reshape the mask so that it masks out the tube from the head. And now, to make the photo illuminate the glow effect, select the image and enable the color paint option. Select gradient fill. For the top color, paste the color hex code we copied from the neon tube and reduce the opacity to about 30% or so. And for the bottom color, paste the same hex code but this time reduce the opacity to about 10% and move the color head to somewhere here. Then go to color filters and reduce the saturation to around -70. Finally, merge both layers and go to color filters. Increase the saturation to 10, brightness to -10 and increase the contrast to 10. Now you can go ahead and play with the hue to any color you like. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it interesting or learned something new. If so, please don't forget to leave a like, and if you want more content like this, do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.